Welcome to the trade table. Today we are going to discuss what does Eco Mode do on a mini split. Eco Mode adjusts the temperature slightly and optimizes fan speed to reduce energy usage, leading to lower electric bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Understanding Eco Mode on mini split air conditioners. Eco Mode adjusts the fan speed and compressor activity to efficiently circulate air and maintain the set temperature, saving energy while ensuring comfort and lowering energy bills. How Eco Mode saves energy and money. Eco Mode reduces power consumption by making small temperature adjustments based on the time of day, leading to significant long-term savings. It can lower energy usage by up to 30% and reduce monthly utility bills through automated efficiency and customized comfort settings. Customizing Eco Mode settings for maximum efficiency. For optimal efficiency, set the temperature between 68 to 72 degrees and choose a lower fan speed. Use the timer function to turn the unit on and off during periods of absence or sleep, and activate night mode to adjust the temperature during sleeping hours, maximizing comfort and minimizing energy usage. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you're looking to buy a mini split, be sure to check out thetradetable.com, the best mini split store online. Have a great rest of your day.